Hello guys, how you guys doing today? I hope everyone doing good. Today I'm going to making crispy steak noodle guys. I'm going to use 1 pieces of rice noodle. Put it hot water and leave it for 2 minutes. Okay, it's good enough now guys. I'm going to throw the water and raise it a little bit. I'm going to cut it little pieces. And I'm going to add 2 pieces of carrot. I spreaded it already. And this is half a pound ground turkey. I'm going to mix it with the rice noodle and carrot. And I'm going to add 50 grams of flour. I'm going to add 3 pieces of green onions. And I'm going to add 1 egg. Teaspoon of white pepper, tablespoon of salt, teaspoon of garlic, and teaspoon of beef flavor. And this is oyster sauce. I'm going to add teaspoon of oyster sauce. Going to mix it well first guys. Okay, it's good enough now. Going to put a little bit oil in the mold so it doesn't stick. Going to put all of them. I'm going to take tablespoon and I'm going to put it on each one. Going to take second one. I'm going to put a stick in the middle. I put a stick all of them. Okay, I'm going to steam it right now. And steam it for 12 minutes guys. Okay, it's cooked already now. I'm going to put all of them on the plate first. Okay, I'm going to fry right now. I'm going to fry all of them. Okay, wait a little bit more guys. And about the heat guys, don't fry with the high heat, okay? You need to fry with the middle heat, so not getting brown fast. And when already turn brown like this, so it's already cooked guys, I'm going to take out all of them. Okay, I'm going to try first right now. I'm going to eat with ranch. Outside is crispy, inside is smooth. It tastes really good guys. Thank you so much guys for watching, and thank you so much guys for your sub. I really appreciate that for you supporting my channel. And to someone just join my channel, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will post a new cooking video every Friday. Plus I going to post a short video too. Thank you guys, and see you next Friday. Have a great weekend. Bye guys.